Walker and I'm from New South Wales, Ballina, Australia. It's fun, we've got some good views and the vert ramp here is sick. Yeah, good. I haven't landed my hard run, but I've landed my safe run and a step-up run. Depends. On my vert at home, I can do them every try, but here it took me a few times. But then once I land one, I can keep on landing them. I get nervous. I just want to land my line. That's all I wanted to do. Yeah, I skated at Carlsbad and Claremont. Probably the Legends Jam with Bob Burnquist and those rad skaters.